So I got the fender all lined up as good as I could. A little bit of it's a little farther in than the door here, but I gotta adjust the door because the door is out of whack. The door hangs. You can see it drop when I open it. It doesn't like to close. So we're gonna fix that. I still gotta install the new stereo. Really nice stereo. But once I get the door lined up correctly, then the fender will line up a little better. It's got a pretty good even gap all the way across here. It's pretty even with the hood. Aftermarket headlights are in. Got the fancy headlight bulbs. I'm really liking the way it looks. I just got to buff and wax the fender. Finish installing the inner fender weld plastic cover, and then put the fender flare on and the front bumper, and ready to go. I gotta install. I got a fully adjustable track bar down here. I got it all painted up, nice red. Like I said, fully adjustable. You see it's adjustable on both sides to accommodate for the fact that it has a 3-inch suspension lift. Whoever put the 3-inch suspension lift on it didn't put an aftermarket adjustable track bar on it, so it could use it. And then I got to swap rear axles, and then I got a set of wheel spacers coming, space the wheels out a little bit. I'm gonna fix this. I'm not gonna buy new fender flares. I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna epoxy it and clean it up, and then finish pulling this dent out right here. But like I said, there's still more to come, so stay tuned. Anybody that wants to know about Amazon aftermarket headlight housings for second-gen Dodge Rams, these were, I believe, 115. They're the black ones. They're not what do you want to say, tinted or smoked or blacked out or whatever. They're just called black because instead of it all being silver in here, you can see there's a black bottom, black side. This is all black inside the side marker light here and everything, so they should look really good. I like the way they look during the day, so stay tuned, more to come.